Solution. Connect Shopify domain email, Zoho, Google Workspace. Step 1. Buy and connect your domain to Shopify. 1. Go to Shopify admin, settings, domains. 2. Connect an existing domain or buy a new one. 3. Once verified, continue to email setup. Option A, Zoho Mail, free and paid plans. Step 2A, create a Zoho Mail account. Visit them at zoho.com/mail/zohomail-pricing.zoho.com/mail zohomailpricing.channel. Choose Zoho Mail free, up to 5 users or paid plan. Sign up and verify ownership of your domain. Step 3A, add DNS records to Shopify. In Zoho Setup, you'll receive MX records, SPF record, DKIM record. Go to Shopify admin, settings, domains, manage DNS, add DNS records from Zoho. Step 4A, wait for propagation. DNS propagation may take up to 24 to 48 hours. After that, your Zoho email, e.g. info@yourstore.com, will be active. Option B, Google Workspace, Gmail. Step 2B, sign up for Google Workspace. Visit workspace.google.com. It's at workspace.google.com. Choose a plan, starts from $6 a month. During setup, Google will ask for domain verification. Step 3B, add Google MX and TXT records. In Shopify admin, domains, manage, add the following: Google MX records, 5 entries, TXT record for SPF, CNAME record, optional for verification. Google will provide exact values. Step 4B, verify and activate Gmail. Once DNS is verified, you can start using Gmail with your Shopify domain, optional but recommended. Add SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records to avoid spam issues. Test with nxtoolbox.com, mxtoolbox.com, or similar. Would you like a YouTube script, infographic idea, or voiceover draft for this?